even heating. Even heating, even everything is absolutely the key to what we do. Even heating, even sanding, even polishing, well, that's symmetry is one thing, but when it comes to stone setting, gems especially, even proportioning, everything must be done evenly. And if this metal is not treated the same way, it will not behave the same way. It's going to be hard enough for you to move it as it is. Even heating, as you can tell by the color. Basically, the technique is just a circular motion around the piece. You start by getting the entire base of it hot. Move the heat from one end, push it forward. This will get heat first. Obviously, start to glow before. This will be the last thing to really start to glow bright. That means you've pushed the heat all the way to the edge. Once that happens, you go into a circular motion. Excuse me, so let me give you some more light. You go into a circular motion, as you saw. You don't want to go over the center, back and forth, back and forth. That means the center, or at least the middle of the mass, will get more heat than the edges. By going in a circle, passing it, you will start to develop a rhythm where the entire piece will go at the exact same rate, and you will end up with an evenly annealed piece of material. Good luck.